Then Unit 4, Internet of Things Protocol. The IoT helps to establish communication between the IoT device and cloud-based server over the internet. It helps to send the commands to that IoT device and receive a data from that IoT device over the internet. An image is given below. By this image, you can understand that which protocol to be used for that. And that application layer and the transport layer, network layer, and link layer. You have that application layer, HTTP, COAP, and WebSockets, and message queue telemetry transfer protocol, XMP, radius, AMQP, and transport layer, TCP and UDP, and the IPv4, IPv6, and the low power PAN, and Ethernet, and WiMAX, and Wi-Fi, and the low PAN, and the cellular networks to use in the link layer. So link layer, it can protocol, it can determine how the data is physically sent over the network physical or layer or medium, coaxial cable or other that radio wave. Link layer, it can determine how the packets are coded and signaled by that hardware device over the medium to which host is attached. And 802.3 Ethernet, the Ethernet is a set of technology and protocols that are used in the primarily in LAN. It was first standardized in 1980s, and by the IEEE 802.3 standard, IEEE defines a physical layer and the medium access control, the sublayer of the data link layer wired Ethernet network. And the Ethernet is classified into the two categories: classic Ethernet and switched Ethernet. In that 802.11 Wi-Fi, so part of that set of LAN protocols specify the set of the media access control is a protocol layer, and implementing the wireless local network and Wi-Fi computer communication various frequencies, including but not limited in the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz frequency. The link layer protocol is an 802.36 in WiMAX, and the standard WiMAX technology standard wireless protocol area network that has been developed by working group number of 16. 802 specialized in the point-to-point multi-point the backbone wireless access. The initially 806 time developed for launched but not in that being further redefined. 806.16d released in the redefined version of the standard aimed fixed application. Another version of the standard 812.e is released in the aimed roaming mobile networks and the low PAN. It's a collection of standards for the low rate of wireless personal networks. The IEEE 802.15 standard defines a MAC and physical layer, but limited in the show network specific such as ZigBee and the low PAN. Thread, Zone, and WiMAX and protocol. The protocols provide the low cost and low speed and communication for the power consumption devices. And that 2G, 3G, 4G communications, there are the different types of telecommunication generation. IoT devices are based on these standards can communicate over the cellular networks. The network layer is have the responsibilities in the sending that IP datagram from the sources network to the destination network. And network layer performs that host addressing and packet routing used for the IPv4, IPv6, and the host applications. The hierarchical IP addressing set schemes. The network layer protocol here the internet protocol address and the internet protocol versions 4 and 6 using for the numerical label assigned in the each devices connected in the computer network that using the internet protocol for communication. The IP address serves two main functions. One is the host and the network interface identification protocol. Version 4 you have the defined for the 32 bit. Version 6 for the you have that 64 bits to be used in that. In 1998, in the standardization development of ongoing the since bit 2006 and frequency rated in that IPv6 and standard July 2017, you can count 20 bits in the theoretical loading that approximately 3.4 into 10 38 errors. Then 6 low power and is an acronym of IPv6 over the low personal area network. Is that the name of that conducted working group in the internet area, ITF, and the 6 low is somewhat the control acronym that combines the latest version of the protocol and low power wireless personal network, therefore that allows for the smallest device with limited processing ability to transmit the information. It can wirelessly can using for the internet protocol can communicate with that device as well as the types of an IP networking link. The transport layer, you have that layers again TCP and UDP, the transient control protocol, and UDP is the user data protocol. Here getting for that getting the acknowledgement received, then only consent for the transient control. And UDP also that without the community consenting the number of data to be in the same time. Then application layer, you have the protocol defines that application interface at HTTP transfer protocol and HTTP stateless protocol. Again, that HTTP can protocol you can using for that browser type, you can using that waiting for the until you receive the response. Request and response are given for that in the stateless protocol, like and that using for that UDP. Then the COAP method, you can constrain application protocol, specialized internet application protocols for constrained devices. As defined at ORF 32. We have the lossy networks, like the COAP is said to be used for the mechanism that is the SMS mobile communication network. And WebSocket protocol enables a two-way communication between the client and running untested code in the controlled environment. And remote host opted in the communication from that code, and the security model used for that origin based on security model community used by the web servers. The message queue telemetry transfer protocol is a machine to machine communication. The message to message telemetry transfer protocol, yeah, that XMP, that extensive message process protocol, and the data distribution service. The AMQ is a protocol, the IoT hardware and the brokers and exchange and the message queue and binding is there. Then the IO protocols MQQ and the COAP and AMPQ. I have we discussed in that. And that is COAP architecture. I have the client side to proxy level. You can sharing that COAP message for the client to client communication concern environments. The message queue telemetry transfer protocol. Here the transfer server, it can make it broker in publish and subscribe in that laptop and mobile devices. Then in the exchange message queue and binding also can same thing for that. Advanced message queue protocol, you have that protocol to be in that sharing the publisher, broker and subscriber. And that Wi-Fi technology, one is a Bluetooth and Zigbee and Z-Wave BLE version the Bluetooth device low power that. Then Z-Wave is a sub Z network protocol and 6 low pan and the thread and Wi-Fi and 2G 6 low pan 3G, 4G, and LTE Cat 0123 and LTE M1, NB, IoT, and 5G, this is data IoT networks protocol, and NRC and RFID and Sigmoid. Then low WAN and the weightless N, weightless P, and weightless W, and T, and plus and the Dick Magic and Wi-Fi and N Oceans and Dash and wireless R. And wireless IoT in a protocol, here the technology, frequency rate, and range power usage cost, and the 2G, 3G, and cellular bands for the 10 megabytes and range from several miles and high. So, the Bluetooth and that 802.3 low LTE and the Sigfox and the wireless. These are things to follow for that, and that ranging in the frequency range and data rate and the range for usage cost. So Zigbee and Zigbee in the 2.0 megahertz gigahertz, we are getting further sub gigahertz in 1 gigabit and low, it's a medium time wireless IoT protocol.